So, hi guys, we have another box from Sisi Keiko. And yan, natanggal ko na yung outer packaging. Tatanggalin ko na lang yung tape. Then, I'll show you again what's inside. So, wait lang. Ito na yung laman niya. Wait lang. These are assorted Japan items again. First item natin. Ito. Favorite ko na to guys. Super yummy niya. Choco butter na Pocky. Ano to? Super yummy talaga. As in. And then, syempre di mawawala ang stationaries pa din. We have letter set. San X letter set. Ito. Mofu-san. Sanrio series. So, ito si Pochako. Cute ni Pochako dito. Then, Mofu-san. Yung bakery release. Ito guys, super cute to. Ayan o. Super cutie. We also have foods again. So, ito, favorite ni Ate Hope tsaka ni Gab. Strawberry choco. And then, we have burger. Next natin. Ito, favorite na namin to ngayon. Tough gummy. In-order ko yung mga available na flavor. Kasi nagustuhan nila Ate Hope and Gab yung pinasalubong sa amin ng friend ko na tough gummy. Ayan. Ayan ba to? 1, 2, 3, 4 na tough gummies. And then, hair care products. Alam nyo guys, no, obsessed na rin ako sa Japanese hair care products recently. So, we have here pang stay ng curls. Stronghold to eh. And then, we have Momori hair milk. Super bango niyan. Parang candy. And this one, I'm excited. Nabubulo. Ang init kasi guys. May ano yun na tataranta. This one pang straight daw ng hair. Excited ako to try this one. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang mga memo pads and stationery items guys. So we have here letter set, cutie letter set, and memo pad. Ito eraser. Cute ng eraser na to. C na tapos may baby eraser siya sa gitna. And syempre, mga memo pads. Ito mga small. Then, ito mga big. Madami-dami na naman yung small memo pad guys. Hanggang dun yan sa dulo. And ito pala, underlay. So, that's it for today's video guys. Ayan. Yung mga design ng memo pads. Ipopost ko ulit yan sa mga short videos. And yan, mga foods. For sure, mauubos agad to. Ayun na yun guys. Until next video. Thank you again for watching. Bye bye guys.